Hi guys, and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. In this episode, we're gonna make a really delicious summery mocktail. And for that, I bought this little, not so little and heavy watermelon. We're gonna make a watermelon margarita. To do so, grab your lime, your oranges, obviously watermelon, and come with me. Here come with my ingredients. My watermelon, okay, lime and oranges. So we're gonna make a margarita. If you have a non-alcoholic tequila, you can add that in the recipe, but I don't have one. Start off with prepping my glass. I'm gonna use it to tahini seasoning. I'm not sure if it's a seasoning. What is it? Yeah, it's a tahini seasoning. It's a Mexican seasoning. So basically it's chilies, I think lime, salt, if I'm not wrong. What you need to do, you'll cut your lemon in half. But actually I saw a video the other day. Rather than cut it in half, I'm going to do something else. So come closer, I'm going to show it to you. So instead of going all the way through, the lady was doing something like this and go around the rim. You grab your seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle it over. Glass ready. I'm gonna go and pop this inside the freezer. Cut this devil in half. I'm not really good with cutting watermelons, but we're gonna try our best. We need our blender. Yeah, give me another second. I'm gonna come back. I'm just afraid that it's gonna fall off and explode. Woo woo! I'm here with my blender. Are you ready to hear that cracking sound? I am. Keep our fingers crossed. It's gonna be a red, sweet watermelon. I'm not sure. Let's go. Woo! Jackpot! Look at that! Oh my god. Watermelon! I'm gonna have a bit. Should bring some tissue. Wait. Brought the whole kitchen roll. Where was I? What you need is a blender because I'm gonna go and make this a frozen mocktail. It smells like chili. I'm not sure what I used this for before. You're gonna grab your watermelon, drop it in. Oh, we are going to blend this first. I was planning to add some agave syrup, but my watermelon is sweet. But if your watermelon is not like me and you were unlucky, just add a bit of agave syrup. So now what we're gonna do, instead of my triple sec, I'm gonna use orange juice. So add 30 ml in. Use the same knife and squeeze half a lime directly into our blender. To be fair, it's always been a question for me. Do you squeeze it this way or put the lime the other way and squeeze it? I'm always doing it this way because I thought like it's gonna come out of there. Let's make it nice garnish. What do you think? I want to do a small wedge. So I'm gonna cut that one. Do it. Come on. We're going inside the freezer this time. Let's grab our ice, which is here. Beautiful chilled Marg glass. Seven it is. Blend one more time. Woohoo! We've got our frozen watermelon margarita alcohol-free mocktail. And it was, I think, open. No, it wasn't open. Just maybe I accidentally opened it. Let's pour it in. I'm excited for this one. Pour it in. We're gonna... We can't do it without a garnish. Do it this side. Let's see which side is gonna be better. Uh-huh. Oh, I think I should have put it the other way. Perfect. Cheers. So, here's our mocktail. Let's give it a taste and see how it tastes. I think I need to take out the watermelon or bring a straw. I'm lazy. I'm gonna take watermelon out and first taste this one. It's perfect, delicious. It's a perfect balance of sweetness and sourness. I like this chili around it. Maybe I should have added a bit of jalapeno in as well, but I kept it simple. You can add a bit of tequila to it and go boozy. Thanks for watching, guys. We're the Tipsy Duo. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this mocktail. I'm gonna definitely come back with more videos. See you until then. Bye for now. Cheers.